Hello and welcome to Today We Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the automatic threading function on this Brother sewing machine. This is my new Brother sewing machine. I have previously done an unboxing video going through some of its features. I'll leave a link in the description below in case you're interested. This is my Brother sewing machine. You can see it's a fairly simple, straightforward machine, but it does have this automatic threading function. I'll set up the camera so it's a bit more stable and I'll show you the process in more detail. So to start off, we're going to thread the machine as normal. So I'm going to take the thread, go round position 1, down and round the tension adjuster, through the hammer and down. Next, I'm going to tuck the thread behind the bar thread guide, which is this piece of metal right here. This little piece of plastic here is the needle threader lever, which I'm going to pull down fully, like so. I'm then going to hook the thread around from the back to the front. I'm then going to push the lever away from me, which pulls a tiny little piece of metal through the actual needle itself. I then hook the thread onto this little piece of metal. Then in my left hand, I pull the lever backwards again, which will pull the thread through the needle. Then, still keeping a little tension, I pull the lever back up again. This then creates a little loop of thread that's gone through the needle, which you can either pull with your fingers or hook with a pin or a needle. Your machine is now threaded. I'm now going to go through this process again at a slightly different angle. And that's it. So, like I said, it was a very quick video, but one that I did promise you I would make. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, and also if you want to see more video content like this, then don't forget to subscribe. See you next time! If you have a moment, here's some more videos that we think you might enjoy.